son Vaibhav Mehra, who is a student at TPS Arkepuram, has been with Coding Zen and learning with them since the year 2017 when he was in grade 7.
My daughter's name is Navya Sharma. She's 10-year-old and she's been doing coding through Coding Zen for almost 2 years now.
We have been with Coding Zen for approximately 18 months.
My son Yudan Gupta has been learning coding from Coding Zen now been 1 year.
It's been a wonderful 4 years for us with Coding Zen.
The last 2.5 years that she's been with the institute, she's learned so much. The languages keep on updating.
And she's doing her third module at Coding Zen.
Several questions came into my mind when I want to put my son on a coding class. Is he at the right age? Can he pick up what has been taught in the class? Will the tutors be good? That's when I came across Coding Zen.
The reason we enrolled her for coding classes was one, it is almost like a life skill now.
My son is in 8th standard and I enrolled him in Coding Zen last year. Since then, he's been doing it so diligently.
As soon as he joined, we could see a vast change in him and a major uptick which took place.
This is really their first experience with coding.
He's having so much fun in each of those classes.
This was the first experience that he had in the field of programming.
They are really enjoying what they are doing.
Coding Zen faculty made him feel very, very comfortable throughout the course.
And let me tell you, it was amazing. The first class itself, the demo one, my son was so happy and he decided to taking class immediately.
Basically, the involvement of the Coding Zen professional teaching and the engagement of the teachers. Gautam liked it, definitely liked it.
Their faculty is excellent. They make it so fun-loving that the child just gets gripped to it.
I'll be honest, I have no background in coding, but my kids have made major progress.
So the great thing is that they really listen. Every single feedback is taken into consideration. It feels all very personal and individually tailored.
She's learned so much. The languages keep on updating. The curriculum is so updated. The faculty is great. They are very patient with the kids and they are very, very learned.
But I could see that he's engaged and he likes the platform, and we continued. We finished one module, then continued the second module. Now he's doing, it's 1 year now and he joined.
We have been very happy with the academy.
It seems that the way the classes are being structured and the way the instructors are, the kids really get to understand the concepts very well. The teaching method is such that it's a lot of fun for them. They get to make interesting games and projects.
After taking 2 sessions, she really enjoyed the course and the method, the playful method they are using to teach the children.
Coding Zen has a very well structured program.
I have a slight background in programming, so I can understand that the modules have been structured really, really well.
The curriculum is very structured, it's delivered very well. The instructors are very well versed with the curriculum and they connect with the students.
Teachers and the entire management of Coding Zen has brought in coding as a subject through the medium of gaming, learning through activities, competitions, quizzes, that really increased her attention and interest in this subject.
Which makes the whole thing extremely enjoyable for the children.
Actually, we were trying to explore possibilities of some online coding classes in June of 2020 when the first COVID lockdown happened. Then we explored some options of online platforms and we came across 2 platforms. And to be very honest, we enrolled him in both the platforms, different courses to start with. Then he completed the 3 months of course in the first platform and then with Coding Zen. We could see the remarkable difference between Coding Zen and the other
They
platforms.
understand the psychology of the child, and as per the child, they keep on upgrading, their courses, the levels, and this is the future. And Coding Zen is doing such a fantastic job.
He learnt a lot of languages with Coding Zen, which include Python, C++.
So he's doing Python with them and his learning journey has been great so far.
In fact, it has been such an experience for him that he has decided to build his career on computer programming and has taken up computer science in grade 11.
Definitely, I would like to congratulate Coding Zen team and request them to continue the good work. And definitely, it's highly recommendable.
You know, we are very, very happy with Anika's progress, and I think she's going to continue with Coding Zen for a really good number of years.
I would definitely like Gautam to continue and try to explore further possibilities with Coding Zen.
Definitely recommend Coding Zen.
Kudos to the entire Coding Zen.
I'll recommend the academy to anyone with 5 stars.
I would wholeheartedly recommend Coding Zen.
So I would really appreciate and being thankful for the entire team of Coding Zen. And so yes, it's a highly recommended.
I really thank the Coding Zen team for having such a professional approach and helping him to be a better confident individual.
And I highly recommend Coding Zen.
We have a lot of such online platforms available for kids these days, but Coding Zen is definitely, in my mind, a recommendation to learn.
Do enroll your child in Coding Zen.